Meditation is a practice that involves training the mind to focus and achieve a state of calmness and relaxation. People practice meditation for a variety of reasons, including improving mental and physical health, reducing stress and anxiety, increasing self-awareness, and enhancing overall well-being. Through regular meditation practice, individuals can learn to quiet their minds, reduce distractions, and achieve a greater sense of peace and calm. Meditation has been shown to have numerous benefits, including reduced stress and anxiety, improved focus and concentration, enhanced emotional well-being, increased self-awareness, lowered blood pressure, improved sleep quality, reduced symptoms of depression. There are many different types of meditation, each with its own techniques and benefits. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced meditator, there's a type of meditation that can work for you. In the upcoming episodes, we'll explore various types of meditation techniques and how to practice them effectively. So, let's get started on this journey of exploring meditation together. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share the channel and drop your comment to motivate us to provide you with more informative and valuable videos. Thanks for watching.